Alright, boys and girls, made some progress this weekend. Alright, got the MIG wire around my foot. Got our radiator mounted, our oil filter mounted. Got my coolant lines ran. Still got to tighten them up. It's too hot out here. Got the oil lines ran back to the oil pan. Got our catch can lines built. Motion Race Works catch can. I got to build a bracket, mount this over here. Not a big deal. This bracket will move over and I'll just build a little something there. Weld it on. And it's going to go there. Still got the cold side left to do. There's a radiator. That's a CSF King cooler. That's the double size with the Doral fans. This little fitting here, we're going to run a 6AN hose up here to my expansion tank. We'll build a little bracket mounted up here, and then the overflow will be over here somewhere with it too. But that'll be plenty above the outlet. Oil lines built for the turbos. The drain lines are on. I've got to get some 90s to go back down there to the drains on either side. I ran out of 90s. Thought I had some more, but I didn't. There's that. And there's plenty of clearance over here. There's more than what that looks. There's probably a 1/4 to 5/16 of an inch clearance on that oil filter. That's a, sorry for my finger, that's a Doral oil filter relocation. So the plan is to come off of this with 1 3/4 pipe, just an upright, and have it come up here to this level with a little tab that comes over and catches this. And then we can get rid of all this plastic nonsense, make it look better up front. Do the same over there on that side. Shouldn't be too hard to fab that up. Anywho, that's what we're working with. Be too long. We gotta bolt the intake down finally. It's on there. I just gotta put the bolts on it, torque it. Gotta redo our fuel pressure line. Gotta redo the fuel pressure line to the regulator because I swapped over to an 8AN, so I gotta change a port out on that and enlarge the hole. Gotta get a longer throttle cable and get a 60-inch. This is a 36. It won't reach all the way over here. It physically won't do it the way I want to, routing it. And we'll come down over here and probably mount our boost reference block or our solenoids for our CO2 system, boost control. That's what those blue wires are for. And it's coming along. It's more the systems. The whole system's about done. Got to get an AN wrench and tighten the fitting up on the oil pan. Other than that, it'll be done. Probably some heat wrap around these just because they're close to the wastegate. Filter's in a good spot. Radiator's on there nice and snug. It'll just come down off of the bash bar with the, I think it's 3/4 inch round stock, or tube rather. And just come down. I cut those 10 inches and then just set the radio up there. I had a little gap where I wanted it and welded the tabs to it, and then chopped them off when I was done. It's on there nice and firm. Yeah, little progress today. Got most of my list done. Good to go. See you guys next time.